Step 5 in the buying process is homeowner's insurance. Now, this is often referred to as hazard insurance as well. We're going to give you a list of a couple of different agents that we've worked with before. However, we also recommend that you always contact maybe whoever handles your previous homeowner's insurance if you've been a homeowner, or your auto insurance. Sometimes you'll be eligible for discounted rates. But shopping and comparing, now's the time to do it. Escrow and your lender will want that information, so please don't delay. You may also be interested in applying for a home warranty. If that hasn't already been a negotiated part of the contract, we're going to give you a list of a couple of different home warranty companies that we've worked with before that are reputable in the industry. That home warranty is going to run anywhere from $350 to about $800, just depending on the price and the coverage that you elect to get. So home warranty is going to cover the anything in the home that would not be subject to coverage under your homeowner's policy, such as maybe your dishwasher goes out and that needs to be replaced, or your water heater, your furnace, and your air conditioning. Those things are not covered under your hazard insurance with your homeowner's policy. They are covered under home warranty. Usually you have anywhere from a $75 to a $100 deductible that you'll pay, and then home warranty will pick up the rest of the cost. So again, home warranty, if not already part of the contract, then you may elect to purchase that in addition yourself.